We live in a wicked world, and it's only by God's grace that we are surviving. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1. Imagine looking for your child only to find out that it is your neighbor that kidnapped your own child. That's why I say we live in a wicked world, and it's only by God's grace that we are surviving in Nigeria. I don't know whether we are fighting the bad government or the wickedness associated with citizens with each other in Nigeria. Because people need to be extra careful when it comes to the mud, because you don't have to trust anybody. Watch this video.
Yeah, bro. Hey, see that picky. Don't do am here. Don't do am fight there. Hey, they don't see am more. See that picky and they fight since November. Hey, they don't see am. Since November, oh, they don't see am, bro. Hey, see that picky. Don't do am here. Don't do am fight there. Hey, they don't see am more. See that picky and they fight since November. Hey, they don't see am.
First of all, I is this whether they don't design them? Probably they don't design them. Normally Nigeria now. But two, but the human mind, the heart of man, is desperately wicked. Tell me why a neighbor will be planning and even planned to kidnap the neighbor's child and even sell the child. According to this video, she have already kidnapped the little girl since last year November. No, this January that they found the little girl. You can imagine. So you see the more reason why they say keep your friends close, your enemies closer. So to you, you know that this person is looking for something else. They are looking for a way to deal with you. Imagine a neighbor abducting a neighbor's child and sell the child only to. Why are people like this? With the hair, is your child you think that you don't see better person, but women now abducting their neighbors' children. Who do you now blame it? Bad government or wickedness? Let's be honest about it. There's some kind of experience you get with people, you have with people. You go to fear to come close to other people. This is first of all, it had a traumatic. You don't know who is who again. A neighbor that you say hello, good morning. You know, in Nigeria you greet, and when you don't greet, they start saying, okay, this one is feeling so anyhow, it's feeling too big. So somebody that you say hello every morning is now looking at you like, okay, I will kidnap this woman's child and get some money. Probably this one is having and the other one is not having. When you have money, when you are feeding yourself and eating 3 square meal in Nigeria, other people think that you are showing off. That is the kind of situation people on in this country. You might be going your way, jejely. So one person will be in one corner envying you. In the village, in the city, where do we go? When your neighbor in the city is now thinking of kidnapping, not only thinking and even did it and was successful with it, people are now fighting spiritual battle, family battle, economic battle, and house battle. These are battles people na Nigeria, in this country. This is the politicians are wicked. And the people itself are wicked to themselves. This is real palaver. People are wicked to themselves. However you feel, drop it on the comment section. Peace out.